Work slowed down at the construction site for the Project Blue data center after Pima County hit the construction company for letting dust spread off the site.
Now reporting from the southeast side, KGUN 9's Craig Smith has more on how this company has responded to that dust complaint.
We're back at the Project Blue data center site. This site got a notice of violation for environmental purposes. Pima County found they weren't controlling dust well on the site. Well, now we've seen the company's response, and we have a better idea of what they are doing to control the dust here. In a letter to Pima County's Department of Environmental Quality, AIM said it suspended most earth-moving operations after the city of Tucson stopped the company from using Tucson water to wet down the work area. When the city refused to annex the Project Blue site, it also refused to allow the data center to use city of Tucson water for anything. When the city found the Project Blue contractor was paying to load water trucks from this fire hydrant inside Tucson city limits, it cut off that water. Ames says on May 8th and May 11th, it was working without dust control water while trying to live up to the Native Plant Preservation Ordinance by harvesting some native plants. It says it used some smaller, heavy equipment to do it. That kicked up some dust, as seen in this photo from Pima DEQ. Now, Beal Infrastructure, the company behind Project Blue, says the contractor has water for dust control that does not come from Tucson's water system. It showed Pima DEQ this picture of 7 water trucks that it says it will use to wet down the dust. And it brought in tank loads of a product with the memorable name of Gorilla-Snot. Gorilla-Snot basically glues down the dust. Ames Construction told Pima DEQ it sent workers to courses on dust control and set speed limits for vehicles moving on the work site. Pima DEQ says it has not imposed any fines as of now. Near Houghton and Brecky Roads, Craig Smith, KGUN 9.